Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.4 of polynomials. Number 1. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1a factor. In this exercise, I will discuss the factorization of polynomial. Here number 1, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. The polynomial is this. So, let px equal to this, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. And here you have to check x plus 1 is a factor or not. So for x plus 1 is a factor, you have to put the value of x equal to minus 1. So you can write and x plus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1 for putting the value of x. Therefore p of minus 1 minus 1 cube minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube, you will get minus 1. Minus 1 square means plus 1. So here plus already given. Plus and plus. If you multiply, then you will get plus. Plus and minus, minus 1 plus 1. So it cancel. This one cancel, you will get 0. By factor theorem, x minus a is a factor of px if p of a equal to 0. This is the factor theorem. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of px. Similarly, number 2, let px x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0. We will get x equal to minus 1. So putting the values of x equal to minus 1, therefore p of minus 1 power 4 plus minus 1 power 3 plus minus 1 power 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 power 4 you will get 1. Remember this one, when power is even number and here negative, so you can write positive. Here minus 1 cube. That means you will get minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 you will get minus 1. Minus 1 square you will get plus 1. So here plus 1. Minus and plus you will get minus plus 1. Cancel this one. Cancel. You will get 1. So here 1 you will get. So therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. Is not a factor of px. Number 3, x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Polynomial is this. So first we have to write let px equal to this and x plus 1 equal to 0 or you will get x equal to minus 1. Therefore, p of minus 1 minus 1 power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 power 3, 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 power 4 you will get plus 1. Here minus 1 cube, you will get minus 1 cube. That means minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. You will get minus 1. Remember one thing, when power is odd number, you will get negative if here negative. If power is even number, then you will get positive. Here, so minus 3. Here minus 1 square you will get plus 1. Plus 1 into 3 plus 3. Minus and plus minus 1 plus 1. So 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, you will get 1. So here not 0, therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of px. X plus 1 is not a factor of px. Similarly, number 4, this one number 4, let px x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. You can write the notes and x plus 1 equal to 0 or you will get x equal to minus 1. Therefore, putting the value of x, p of minus 1 cube minus minus 1 square 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. So minus 1 cube you will get minus 1. Minus 1 square you will get plus 1. So here minus, so give minus 1. And this minus multiplied by this, so minus and minus you will get plus. Plus 2 plus root 2 and here plus root 2. So minus 1 you will get minus 2 plus 2 and plus root 2 plus root 2. This one cancel, you will get 2 root 2. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of px. Number 2, use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. Here, gx is given x plus 1. That means you have to put the value of x equal to minus 1. So here write p of minus 1, 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 cube means minus 1, here minus 1, this one plus 1, minus minus plus 2, minus 1. 2 into minus 1 you will get minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, minus 1. This one cancel, so you will get 0. If you will get 0, then this is the factor of this. So therefore, gx is a factor of px. Gx is a factor of px. Number 2, px x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and gx equal to x plus 2. So you have to put the value of x equal to minus 2 here. Therefore, p of minus 2 cube, 3 into minus 2 square, 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 cube you will get minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square you will get plus 4. Minus plus you will get minus 6 plus 1. So minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12, minus 6 plus 1. So 12 plus 1 you will get 13, minus 8 minus 6 you will get minus 14. So minus 1. So you cannot write this is a factor of this. Therefore, gx is not a factor. Is not a factor of px. You can write the notes. Number 3, px equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6, gx x minus 3. So for x minus 3, you have to put x equal to 3. Therefore, p of 3, you will get 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Minus 4 into 3 square means 9. Plus 3 plus 6, 9. So 27, 4 into 9, 36 plus 9. So 27 plus 9 you will get 36 minus 36. So you will get 0. So if you will get 0, then this is the factor of this. Therefore, gx is a factor of px. So question number 1 and 2 is over. Next class I will discuss the latter part. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.